Okay, Travessa dos Anjos, the street of the angels. So we're gonna walk straight down that way. Before we do, give you a little context. So we're kind of on this other street right here, and there's a Portuguese embassy straight down that way. That's kind of a cool little street actually. Portuguese bookstores down that way, and then Senado Square, so all the ruins, all kinds of cool stuff is down that way. So, but we're gonna be focusing on this one right here. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Travessa dos Anjos. So let's say goodbye to that street, which is also this street. And we're gonna head on down. Got all these black and white murals. This street is nice pedestrian street, well lit up at nighttime. Kind of reminds me like when I see mainland Chinese cities sometimes in videos, makes me want to go to them, and then I realize that there's all these kind of really cool streets in Macau that are well lit at nighttime, lots of neon lights. This is one of them. Phone shop. San Jose. So this street's going to keep on going down that way, but this is the street that we're just on, so we'll just kind of capture it like that. So yeah, this is that way, and then also that way as well. So we're going to go down that way in a minute. Okay, so let's follow that direction. So yeah, it's still the same street, Travessa dos Anjos. You got this kind of black and white tile stuff. Some restaurants. This is kind of cool. It looks like a temple, but actually I think it's a parking garage. But we're still at Travessa dos Anjos as well. And you got kind of cool little stuff like this. I guess this one is selling bubble tea, I think. Watches. Cafe de Corral. It's a restaurant that's also got Daiso, KFC in there as well. Okay, let's keep on going down. Another bubble tea shop, that green one right there. Cha and cocoa. A little Japanese sufufu. And it kind of comes out to this little plaza. I used to see musicians, foreign musicians would sometimes play in this area. I've seen it a few times. I don't know if it's legal or illegal, no idea. But now with COVID, people can't come in, so you don't really see, just don't really see it. Travessa dos Anjos. So it looks like this is also part of Travessa dos Anjos as well. Before we finish it off, let's just kind of capture a little bit more of this imagery in here. Okay, so let's head on down. What a cool looking place. All right, so coming out to the end of Travessa dos Anjos shortly. This looks new. Haven't seen this before. Looks like it's gonna be maybe, it's so quaint, looks like it's maybe a Japanese, not sure. It's definitely new. I didn't see it before. So we're gonna keep on going straight all the way down to the end. We'll end this one in a minute. Let's see. Cafe Eskimo. There's Cafe Eskimo right there. And at the end, there's also a temple right here too. Right there. Little alleys. And now we're kind of at a main road right here. This is called Rua do Campo. And that's our Travessa dos Anjos right there. So that's our main road. Travessa dos Anjos. Got some speeding tickets so they can capture anybody that speeds or breaks the law. Those are all over the city. So if you're driving, it's you can get a lot of tickets quick. Actually, if you get, it takes very little, you can lose your license for 3 years. I think it takes 2 speeding tickets or 2 running a red light. Okay, so that's Travessa dos Anjos, so we'll end it right there.
Chiquinha,